Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing your studies. Today our topic is grammar and subtopic is pronouns. Students, you have to open your book on page number 7. Here is pronouns. Pronouns means a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. Common pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. There are two passages on page number 7. Let's see what is the difference between these two passages. First version is: Father was pacing up and down. Father was very worried because Tina had not reached home and it was already 10 o'clock in the night. Tina usually came back by 8 o'clock. Father tried calling Tina on Tina's mobile, but there was no response. Father asked Mother if Tina had informed Mother about any of Tina's plan. Mother said that Tina had not told Mother anything. I tried to pacify Father by saying that Tina might have got stuck in heavy traffic. Maybe Tina was driving too, so Tina was not picking up the call. Father, Mother, and I decided to wait for some more time. Other version is second version. Here is second version. Father was pacing up and down. He was very worried because Tina had not reached home and it was already 10 o'clock in the night. So she usually came back by 8 o'clock. He tried calling Tina on her mobile, but there was no response. He asked Mother if Tina had informed her about any of her plans. Mother said that she had not told her anything. I tried to pacify Father by saying that she might have got stuck in heavy traffic. Maybe she was driving, so Tina was not picking up the call. We decided to wait for some time. The second version of the story reads better because most of the nouns have not been repeated. They have been replaced by words like he, she, her, or we. Such words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Such words are called pronouns. Some other commonly used pronouns are you, it, them, they, my, mine, your, our, and ours. These are also pronouns. Now come on next page. Here are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. These are demonstrative pronouns. This is a flower. That is my car. These are parrots. Those are apples. Demonstrative pronouns are used in sentences. The words this, that, those, and these, which point out people, places, or things, are called demonstrative pronouns. Next, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. The words who, which, what, whom, that, and whose are called relative pronouns. These are relative pronouns. They take the place of noun and also act as conjunctions. Words like who, which, what, whom, whose can also be used for asking questions. Examples are: he is my friend who is very helpful. is relative pronouns. Next example is I am reading the book which is relative pronoun. You told me about. These are relative pronouns. Next, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Students, you have any idea about indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns, words like some, any, anyone, something, everyone are indefinite pronouns. Few, none are also used to replace nouns. These are called indefinite pronouns. These are called indefinite pronouns. These pronouns do not refer to a particular person, place, or thing, but refers to them in a general way. Examples are someone is on the roof. Someone is indefinite pronoun. Other example is there are so many pencils. So many is indefinite pronoun. You can choose anyone. Also indefinite pronouns. Students, we have learned demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Now we will do exercise. Demonstrative and or indefinite pronouns we will use in this exercise. For example, everyone, these, which, that, who, and none. First example is flowers and dash flowers are beautiful. Which word we use here? Which pronoun? We use these. These flowers are beautiful. Now come on next page. Here is dash is a famous place of France. Which is a famous place of France? Next is I found the pencil that I had lost. Next, is he not the one dash had visited my place? Is he not the one who had visited my place? Next is dash of them knows the answer. None of them knows the answer. And the last one is dash is looking happy. Everyone is looking happy. Next exercise is about demonstrative pronoun. Here we will use demonstrative pronouns. Dash is a cute looking toy. This is a cute looking toy. Next, was not polite conversation. That was not a polite conversation. These are the books I was looking for. This is not what we had expected from you. These are the glasses I was talking about. Next exercise, students, you have to do on your own self. That is on page number 9 and page number 10. Now note down your homework. You have to learn demonstrative, relative, and indefinite pronouns. And you have to do practice exercise that are on page number 9 and 10. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.